Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your Excel workbook and inspecting each sheet carefully. Remove blank rows and columns before converting the file. Ensure the header row contains unique field names with no spaces. Rename headers to use underscores or camel case for consistent keys. Limit each sheet to one table and under 100,000 rows when possible. Save a backup copy now to avoid data loss. Close any unused workbooks to speed the process and reduce confusion. First, save your prepared sheet as CSV using File and Save As. Choose CSV UTF-8 to preserve special characters and commas in text. Open a reliable online converter or run a simple script in Python or Node. The script should parse the header row into keys and each row into a Json object. Wrap the objects in square brackets to form a Json array. Validate the resulting Json with a validator before using it in applications. For complex tables, use Excel Power Query to filter and reshape columns first. Then export the clean table to CSV or copy it into a script-friendly environment. Use a script that converts numeric strings to numbers and dates to ISO 8601 format. Validate output with a JSON linter and test with sample API calls locally. If keys repeat, merge or rename them to avoid collisions in the JSON object. Save the final JSON.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.